Because it looks
okay,
like...
this is Sam burping. No, that was...
No, not that Sam. This Sam!
Okay, everyone shut up. You have to see her technique. Okay.
I'm not going to share.
Sam, come on.
Okay,
Don't be
put out
nervous.
nice face.
Oh, I won't. Oh, I will.
You made me laugh after you do it. Sound like a fart?
Let's do it again. Do it really good this time, okay?
Okay. I'm gonna try. Yes, everyone get all my burps out so I have fresh ones. Alright, ready? Doesn't it feel where you're like sucking in air and it goes like down your...
Okay, ready, Sam? You're
I'm
ready.
trying to get all the fresh burps out!
This is so my favorite. This is Sam.
And so is this.
Oh.
How we can't put this on mine?
No, I didn't get it on tape. Okay, stop trying to do it.
I get when I do it. Okay, don't look at my fat now. This is a once in a lifetime
I'm gonna
thing.
zoom in, actually.
Stop.
Guys, we have neighbors.
Oh, I forgot.
Okay, do it quick. It's gonna be such a long video. Ew, I better stand back. Nice. Glad some skin.
Oh, noggin.
Glad some skin.
Remember?
Wait, do it, ready?
Oh! Can we do our handshake?
Yeah, of course. Sunny.
Sam, you're ruining it. You can't always be famous. You're not. I had to let it out. No, it's on you. Okay, ready? Oh. Do you guys mind if I eat pizza? Ooh.
Wait, will you burp one more time?
Oh, baby, I know.
Zoom on the eating. Just go into my face. I'm showing Matt.
And Morgan.
What?
And that was without sucking in. I'm just the all-time burping queen.
Bye.
Peace out, my sleepers. Stay safe. Don't get raped.